Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Hilton Go, employee benefits access step by step clearly. First, make sure you have an active Hilton team member account and your login credentials ready. On your computer or phone, open a trusted web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. In the address bar, type the official Hilton Go or Hilton employee travel page URL provided by your HR or manager. Press enter and wait for the Hilton sign-in page to fully load. Check that the page address starts with HTTPS to confirm it is secure. Locate the sign-in button or the login fields on the main page. Click into the username or email field and type your Hilton team member ID or registered email. Click into the password field and carefully enter your password. If you are on a shared device, do not select any option that keeps you signed in. If you are on your personal device, you may choose Remember Me only if you are comfortable with it. Click Sign In to continue. If you are asked to verify your identity, follow the on-screen prompts for multi-factor authentication. Enter the verification code sent to your phone, email, or authenticator app. Click Verify or continue to complete the security step. If you see an error message, recheck for typos and confirm Caps Lock is not enabled. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password link on the sign-in page. Enter the requested account details and submit the reset request. Open the password reset email or message and follow the link to create a new password. Return to the login page and sign in again using your updated password. After you log in, look for the Hilton Go or Team Member Travel section in the portal menu. Click this section to open your employee travel and benefit options. Review your profile details to confirm your name and team member information are correct. If prompted, accept any terms and conditions to proceed. Use the search and filters to find eligible hotel rates and team member discounts. Select a hotel and date range. Then confirm availability for the team member rate. Follow the booking prompts and double-check guest details before final confirmation. If you cannot access the page, try clearing your browser cache or using an incognito window. For account access issues, contact Hilton IT support or your property HR for the correct login path. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.